Welcome back to See Today Business. Exciting times for crypto investors. As we get closer to the next Bitcoin halving event, it is crucial for both investors and crypto enthusiasts to know the details of this fundamental aspect of Bitcoin's protocol. Scheduled for mid-April 2024, the Bitcoin halving holds significant implications for the crypto market as a whole. Historically, the Bitcoin halving events have catalyzed significant price surges in the crypto market. The anticipation of reduced new supply following a halving event can trigger speculative activity and drive up demand for Bitcoin. This event, coupled with ongoing market trends and other factors such as adoption rates and regulatory developments, can influence market dynamics significantly. Now, Indonesia reported a surge in crypto transactions reaching 30 trillion rupiah or around $1.92 billion in February 2024. Data from the Commodity Futures Trading Supervisory Agency, or BAPEPT, shows that the number of registered crypto investors also hit 19 million, marking an addition of 170,000 users from January. BAPEPT attributes this growth to positive market sentiment triggered by the surge in the price of Bitcoin and the rally of altcoins, tokens other than Bitcoin. All right, to delve more into this topic, joining me today in the studio is Celios Digital Economy Director Nailul Huda. Mas Huda, thank you so much for joining us in the See Today Business Studios. So let's start. First thing is first. Explain to us, what is Bitcoin halving? How does it work?
Yeah, Bitcoin halving is an event that halves the reward for the miners on the blockchain ecosystem.
Right.
So the miners, if they mining in Bitcoin blockchain,
Yeah.
they get the rewards, and the event cut off the rewards half.
Okay. So, but it cuts. Does it cut the supply by half as well?
Yeah. If they solve the block in blockchain, Bitcoin blockchain ecosystem, they had the reward.
Okay.
And in 29, the reward is 50 Bitcoin.
Right.
In every 4 years, the reward cut off half. In 2012, it become 25.
Okay.
In 2016, it become 12.5, and in this year, it will be 3.125 Bitcoin in every block they solve.
Right. Okay. So automatically the supply would go down as well. Right?
Yeah.
Bitcoin.
It make the supply of Bitcoin is more fewer than the last year.
Okay. Right. So let's talk about what could happen this year. First of all, the expectation is April the 20th for the halving. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, let's talk about what happened before in the previous halvings. In the third Bitcoin halving, which took place in May 2022, the price rose in about 10 months' time from 8,700 to 60,000 US dollars per Bitcoin. In 2016, halving Bitcoin's price doubled within 10 months.
Yeah.
What are we going to see this year?
Yeah. I must read the data.
Sure, go ahead.
So, in 2012, it increased, I think, more than 1,000%.
Right.
In 180 days. So in one semester, it increased more than 100%.
Wow.
Yeah, 1,000%.
1,000%, right.
Yeah. In 2019 and 2020, it happened too.
Yeah.
So the increase of Bitcoin is higher and higher. But I think in 2020 and 20, there are several factors, external and internal factors, that make the price of Bitcoin is higher and higher. Several factors like people interest, and then low rate regime in US, the Fed rate.
Right.
The Fed rate in 2020 and 2021 is 0.25%.
Okay.
So it make the alternative investment instrument like Bitcoin is higher demand.
Okay.
So I think there's a several factor that in this year,
Yeah.
halving Bitcoin make the price of Bitcoin higher and higher.
Okay. Like, for example, the SEC in the US, they have approved
Yeah, because
Bitcoin ETFs and so
yeah,
forth.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so sentiment is more positive
yeah,
this time around. So we could probably see a significant increase, like you said, 1,000%.
yeah.
the
Because today we face the uncertainty economic condition,
Yeah.
and today the low regime rate
Yeah.
is over.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the Fed rate is in 5.5%.
Yep.
Yeah, and BI rate, Indonesian BI rate is 6%, I think.
Yeah.
So people choose the more low risk instrument on their investment portfolio.
Okay, right. But what's interesting, of course, is, if it does happen on the 20th of April, it's just 2 days before that. But the price of Bitcoin has been dropping. It reached the lowest point, since early March. On Wednesday, it went down to 59,000. Now it's about 61,000. So, I mean, how do you see this sort of the halving affect crypto trading in Indonesia itself after the halving event, or maybe even before?
Yeah, I don't know. We all didn't predict the price of Bitcoin, also to other cryptocurrency, other token.
Okay.
We cannot predict easily because the price is more volatile than other investment instrument.
Okay.
So we cannot predict after halving event.
Right.
But I believe that there are several factors that have a positive impact on halving event.
Yeah.
Like about the media and has public interest,
Yeah.
and know about the technological impact that make the demand of Bitcoin is higher.
Okay.
But I cannot predict it is high on significantly or not.
All right. Even on the number of traders and users in Indonesia transactions, you can't really tell. Okay. So it's difficult to predict. Now, let's talk about Indonesia, because according to blockchain data platform Chainalysis, the research showed that Indonesia has the 7th highest crypto adaptability country globally, surpassing countries like Thailand, China, Russia, and the UK. So what's your take on this, on the crypto adaptation in Indonesia?
I remember
Yeah.
in the first of pandemic COVID era,
Yeah.
Bitcoin didn't have a significant factor on our investment portfolio. Yeah. But in pandemic era, transaction is higher and higher.
Yeah.
So I don't know, there are several factors that make that happen.
Yeah.
First is about adoption rate, adoption technology rate, the tech savvy, young population, middle income population, and internet penetration is the several factor that demand of Bitcoin higher in pandemic era.
Okay.
And I don't know, Indonesia is one of the countries that have regulatory on cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
We have BAPEPT that they regulate about the cryptocurrency investment.
Yeah.
And it become the legal action for cryptocurrency transaction.
Yeah.
It providing clarity and security for user and businessmen. So it have a positive impact on the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency ecosystem, the positive impact. And the third factor is economic factor.
Yeah.
You know about the FOMO in Indonesia in, I think, in first half of pandemic COVID era, and about the S6 coin.
Yeah.
and you know about the daughter of Yusuf Mansur, coin. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is the FOMO of our people.
Okay.
Our people didn't have the good literacy,
Okay.
but they have more FOMO than other people in ASEAN, I think.
All right. So, some positives, environment
Yeah.
in Asia for crypto, and also with this halving event, which could take place on the 20th of April.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. I think having Bitcoin event will increase demand
Yeah.
of cryptocurrency, but I don't know. We cannot predict
predict.
how much
Okay,
they
sure.
will increase, and it depends on media coverage. Like now,
Yeah.
we discuss about
Yeah,
the
sure,
media
sure.
coverage of
Okay.
halving event.
Okay. Mas Nailul Huda, Silas Digital Economy Director, thank you so much for coming to our studios and giving us your insights on this, possibly very exciting time for crypto traders. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome, Mas Kesha.
All right, we're going to go for a break. When we return, we'll have our daily recap from the Indonesian stock market. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned to See Today Business.